Hello YouTube, this is Yu-Gi-Oh Player bringing you some openings of 4 packs of the Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy, and I'm gonna be opening the new Yu-Gi-Oh Sexo card sleeves. It's Yuma, Kite, Astral, and Shark, I think. And so yeah, this is my first YouTube video opening Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And remember to subscribe and like this video. And also I was wondering, I wanted to ask you guys a question about how much do you think a booster box over here in the US costs, around what's the price, because I really don't know how it is. I'm trying to get a booster box for Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy, so please comment below. And so let's get started in the opening. Alright, Dolten Tengu, Mecha, Phantom Beast, Black Falcon, Little Fairy, Summon Breaker, Trifortress Sorps, and Stream Dragon Rule of Droplets, Spellbook of Miracles, and Mimic, Battle Box Constellar Punch. That's it. Nothing for this one, just a rare. Mind Drain, it's a good card. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino. Another rare. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino again, and just a rare again. Come on, let me get a holographic. Oh, here we go. Hysterian Sign. One holographic, one super rare out of 4 packs. And our rare is Go Gigas. It's this one. This is how it looks. It's okay, only the thing in the top, it's too much space. It's the only bad thing. I like the artwork, it's cool looking. Alright then, YouTube, that's the last of this video, and please like and subscribe, and that's it, and I'm out.